Alright, so here's how you get on the game. This is the fast place last time. First, make your item, go to play event, go to each item, AKC, DST, new, name it whatever, and display name whatever. Already made it, so it's the back. Now, copy that name it this. It's gonna be this square one. Description is everything like this. Alright, this is it. Then, player action. Player. I don't know what to do. The same thing. Get it to you. It would be easier to copy the transform, but a bit special. Just put the text in, make it whatever size. Pretty good. Turn it. Boom, bam, boom, this speed's brought up because we're just gonna be so long. Alright, when you did that, do an unpack completely. Unpack completely. What I'm sorry, that delete the back. Drag it. Right now. And what I'll do is you want a box card like this, and you change it. So you're gonna make it like that. We're gonna make it the dimensions of this, or 20 would actually hit people. Alright, now you wanna get the anti-kick and drag it. Oh, I'm not know what's happening. Alright, now you just want to drag it, take it. No, gotta play action. That's how I'm gonna play action. Now click each trigger. I'll drag the box line into the color. Alright, so last thing, you can disable it. And you go back to settings. Get the little sword. Copy and paste it. Disable that. Can drag it up different. Drag it above that. Drag it above that. And there's no more. Right, from this. This. Click shift and save this for all. And because it's a sword, I'm gonna put it in match. Right, get this sword. Drag it into batch. Wait, no, don't drag it into batch. Put it above. This is left. This is left. This will be sped up because we have to do a lot. Right. Oh, we're actually missing stuff. Go over to download to Gorilla. Wait. Good. I'm gonna search for cosmetic controller. Alright. You wanna add a plus? Go here. Swing owner. Sure. Okay. Put that there. Whatever you named it. Forgot what I named it. If you forgot, type in the display name update. So we put sword. Sorry. Going into here. And it is a bodge. And then you want to go here and use cosmetic. Ooh. Uh, I forgot what it's called. Hold on, give me a second. I remember what to do. Go to game manager. Or the game manager. First thing on it, yeah, so now. Write that out. Oh, that shows there. Hello? You gotta find the live stream text right here. Right. This is the ID. So you wanna paste. Go to your name. Click answer. Right. You scroll a little bit till you find one, like right here. Then you're gonna do one, so right here, space, one, space one, name, comma. You're gonna then save that, and let it load. Alright, now this is done, we can go back to making this. I'm just gonna do this. You can do it for all of them. And we'll have to change the name after. That should this time. Alright. You can change the name right now if you want to. Oh. Way faster. Alright, this one's center. So I'm gonna change this up to down to center. This one is right. And then this one is top. Alright. Now that your all of those in there, let's close this. You wanna drag it into batch. Badge right there. Then go to left. Go down to cosmetics. And add it. Okay, you don't have to actually click it, you can just drag it like that. Right, then you can close that because enable it. And there's a sort of nurse you can see. Same thing for this. Drag the kick in there. Now, just enable all that so they appear here. Oh, that's the wrong one. Oops, that's my bad. Enable all them. Now for this one. Sorry, into the patch. Click top. Start sorting there. And then this is the last one. Alright, now we did all that. I'm gonna go back to the Gorilla Player right here. Now go to Gorilla Player Actual. And Spread out to cosmetics. And check your item. See, I already have that in there. Go back to scenes. Go to player. Gorilla player. Wait, is it? No, I think it's just play. No. Go to this and actual gorilla again. Try your cosmetic. See if I found it. And so, kick item store. And you see it's in there. Now, if we play the game, if we did it correctly, we have errors. Anti-kick. Oh, I created anti-kicks. Wait. Anti-kick 1. Yeah. Delete. Anti-kick already update. Uh-oh. Alright, there we go. Now if we play. Alright, okay. So, if you did it correctly, it shouldn't show. We just gotta play fan. Search my name. Let's only play. Go to this. Grant. Select this. It's gonna come up. Grant. Now, if we test the game, one last time, it should be there. In cosmetics. Yeah, as you see. And we go to patches. Oh, I have an inside on. Yeah, we're gonna have to remove that. I'll click that up to see something. This is what the inside does. It's not gonna be on anymore. But, no. As you see there, we have the sword. And there's the sword right there. That's all for right now. If you have any questions, join my server right here. Link will be in the description. Just ask me in general. Or join this server and ask me. But yeah, bye. I'll do some more stuff like how to God, set some or something. I don't know.